Yo guys, welcome back to the SciTech channel. Today I have another unboxing for you guys, and apologies, this is not gonna be like an on-time unboxing or anything because I don't have access to these products immediately or anything. I do purchase these with my own money, so it is kind of hard to immediately go ahead and purchase something. More so, I tend to buy things when I feel like I need an upgrade or some other circumstance comes up. But yeah, I got the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro for you guys. And let me just show you guys a little bit around the box. So right there on the sides, we have Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. Bottom isn't really too important. Here's the top and here's the back. I currently do have the Galaxy Buds 2. So this is going to be basically sort of my first official set of Pro earbuds, like no matter what brand it's from. But I've heard a lot of great things about the Buds 2 Pro. So yeah, let's go ahead and get right on into this. I don't know where I put my little unboxing knife, but yeah, that's a concern for a later day. So in there we have the new case. And I did get it in graphite. Wow, that looks nice. So Samsung has decided to go ahead and go back to sort of a matte design. I think either go back or it's their first time introducing matte, but I think I've seen some matte buds before. Those are the Buds 2 Pro in there. That's the outside of the case. One sec, I'm gonna actually grab my Buds 2 and show you guys the outside of the case. So, over here we have the Buds 2. I have them in a little carrying case. Let me go ahead and take this off. Give me 1 second. It's a little harder to take off than I would have expected. There we go. Okay, so obviously if you guys remember for the Buds 2, I think Samsung went with a all white, like glossy white case on the outside for every single color. So no matter what color you got for the Buds 2, you basically got a glossy white. But yeah, so I also had these in graphite. So that's how they look in white. I mean in black, but obviously the case is white. And I'm gonna see if I can do a quick little comparison between the two. So there's the Buds 2 Pro, and here are the Buds 2. One obviously has like a glossy finish to it. The others have a matte finish, which I kind of like the matte finish personally. So here's that Bud. The Bud 2 Pro. This has a little bit more of a wing, it seems like, on the top. And then I'm going to take out this one. So here's the Galaxy Buds 2. Glossy finish. There is that. And let me show you how both of the backs look. So it seems like this was a little more rounded. So in the Buds 2 design, you basically just had this part going into your ear, but this has a little bit of a tip at the top, which hopefully should give more of a secure fit. As far as I know, I think the Buds 2 were the most like lightweight earbuds Samsung released. I believe each bud for the Galaxy Buds 2 was 5 grams, and these are, I believe, about 15% lighter than the Galaxy Buds Pro that Samsung released. But these Buds 2 Pro, each bud individually weighs 5.5 grams. So it's still a little bit heavier than the Buds 2. But I'm just going to go ahead and run through the setup process real quick on the phone. So let me go ahead and run through the setup process. Here we go. So let me see if it'll just pop up. Okay, there we go. It does just pop up. Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. Let me allow. While we wait, I did not mean to click on that. Uh-oh. I don't even know if I connected to them. Give me a second here, guys. Going through some technical difficulties. Oh, man. Okay, let me just... Okay, it said it couldn't pair. Okay, let me give it like 5 seconds and then I'm gonna put it back on. Okay, so hopefully this time goes through. Yes, there we go. Okay, so those look like they have been connected. Seems like it just pulled up the Galaxy Wearable app, so we'll just wait on that. So I'm just gonna skip through that. And there we go. It seems like that is the setup. So we have the noise controls. We have active noise canceling and ambient sound mode on here. We have the voice detect feature. Obviously, everyone's been talking about that. 360-degree audio. I feel like that's not really a common feature for most people to use. Find my earbuds. And here are some additional settings. There's the equalizer, the fit test, read notifications, this pressure relieving setting, and ear detection, seamless earbuds connection. That's mainly for Samsung devices. So it seems like next stretch reminders was also a new feature they came out with for specifically these earbuds, along with the graphic equalizer. So they had an equalizer before, but it didn't have like a little graph showing. And then in the labs, obviously we have some other features, and obviously we do have a software update on these as well. But I'm not going to run through a software update, but I mean, the purpose was mainly just for a unboxing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank y'all so much for tuning in, and I plan to hopefully crank out more videos whenever I can. Once again, I can't really do it too often, but I will definitely try and make a comparison between the Buds 2 as well as the Buds 2 Pro. But thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and peace out, man.